Hi everyone. Today I'm going to present the key learnings from the course Engineering Ethics and Sustainability Development, along with the along with my personal reflections and future action based on what I study. This course helped me understand that engineering is not just about technical knowledge or building systems, but also about ethics, responsibility, and sustainability. It showed me how every engineering actions can impact society, the environment, and future generations. The course is divided into four main modules, which cover fundamentals of ethics, environmental ethics, water management and zero waste, and renewable energy with climate change. Starting with the first module, fundamentals of ethics, I learned about the difference between personal ethics and social ethics. Personal ethics are based on our individual beliefs and values, while professional ethics are uh, like rules and standards that every engineer must follow. I also learned about importance of qualities such as civic virtue, responsibility, and integrity. One key concept that forced out to me was integrity in design and research, which means being honest, avoiding plagiarism, and ensuring that our work is safe and reliable. The main takeaway from this module is that engineers must always prioritize public safety, honesty, and accountability in their work. Moving on to the second module, environmental ethics. This module focuses on our relationship between nature. It introduces different perspectives such as anthropocentrism, which is human-centered, biocentrism, which is uh, like which is values all living organisms, and ecocentrism, which focuses on the entire ecosystem. This module helped me understand the nature that nature should not be treated as a only resource for human use, but should be respected and protected. It also emphasized the importance of sustainable development, where we met our present needs without harming the ability of future generations. The third module was about water management and zero waste. In this module, I learned about major global challenges such as water scarcity, pollution, floods, and droughts. These issues are becoming more serious due to the population growth and climate change. I also learned that about uh, practical solutions like rainwater harvesting, water recycling, and efficient uh, in irrigation systems. Another important concept was the zero waste approach, which includes the 5 R's, which are refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. The main takeaway from this module is that engineers must design systems that are sustainable, efficient, and fair to all sections of the society. The fourth module focused on renewable energy and climate change. In this module, I learned about different renewable energy sources such as solar energy, wind energy, and hydropower. I also understood the causes and impact of climate change. It includes rising temperatures, floods, droughts, and sea level rise. This module highlighted the important roles engineers play in reducing greenhouse gas emission and developing sustainable technologies such as green buildings, smart cities, and energy efficient systems. The key takeaway is that engineers have major responsibility in building a sustainable and climate resilient future. Through this course, I developed a new perspective on engineering. I realized that engineering is not just about solving problems, but making responsible and ethical decisions. Every action we take as an engineer can affect people's lives, uh, the environment, and even people's lives, the environment, and even future generations. This made me understand the importance of thinking beyond short-term benefits and considering long-term impacts. I also started applying some of the learnings in my own life. For example, I try to save water and electricity, reduce waste, and avoid unnecessary use of plastics. I also make sure to maintain honesty in my academic works and avoid plagiarism. These small changes reflect the ethical value I learned from this course. In future, I plan to follow ethical practices in my engineering career. If I become one, I hope I become one. I want to contribute to sustainable development by supporting renewable energy solutions and environmentally friendly technologies. I also aim to take responsible action, decisions and actions to balance technical efficiency with social and environmental well-being. As a conclusion, this course has taught me that engineering is not just about innovations but also about responsibility. An ethical engineer not only creates solutions but also ensures those solutions are safe and can be used